Hello everyone. Today we learn how to find all indices of a specific value in an array. This is a great use case for JavaScript's reduce method. It helps when you want to locate all occurrences of a value. Let's jump in and see how it works from under the hood. We want to look through an array and find every spot where the value appears. Instead of stopping at the first match, we want all of them. And if the value does not exist, we should return an empty array. Let's look at the code that does just that. This function loops through each item using reduce. If the current item matches the value, we add its index to a list. If it doesn't match, we simply move on. The result is an array of all matching indexes. We start with an empty array to collect our results. Each loop checks for a match using a conditional inside reduce. When a match is found, the index is added to the output. At the end, we return the final list of all indices. This match works for numbers, strings, or any comparable value. Even if there are no matches, the result is just an empty array. It is reliable, flexible, and does not mutate the input. Now let's explore where this could be used in real apps. This is useful in data processing or user input and analysis. You can detect how many times a user chose an option, or find all positions where errors occurred in a dataset. It helps developers write smarter, data-aware code. This is a great trick to keep in your coding toolbox. Using reduce like this gives both clarity and control. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.